Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
It's that time of the year again wherein the who's who of Hollywood don their best outfits and grace the red carpet. The 76th Golden Globe Awards was held on the 6th of January 2019. The awards ceremony is held to honor the best in the American film and television fraternity. The Golden Globes was a starry affair, and that gives us the best and worst dressed from the award show. So let's begin. We first have a Star is Born actress, Lady Gaga, who looked breathtakingly beautiful in a strapless powder blue ballroom gown with bouffant sleeves and a long train from Valentino. She styled her outfit with hair tied in a dramatic top knot, smoky eyes and a statement diamond necklace. We love it. Up next, we have Emily Blunt, who looked like $1 million in a dusted grey Alexander McQueen outfit. Her high-neck sleeveless dress included a dramatic high-low hemline. She styled her look with a braided bun, nude makeup and dusted grey strappy heels. Love it head to toe. And then we have the gorgeous Saoirse Ronan, who looked gorgeous in a nude Gucci column dress. The sleeveless outfit featured a deep plunging neckline, side-parted gel hair with emerald green earrings and a coral lip finished off her look. We absolutely love the minimalism. Moving on, we have Taylor Swift, who was also present at the awards show. She looked spectacular in an off-shouldered, body-hugging outfit with a thigh-high slit by Versace. Golden dangler earrings with a bright coral lip and hair tied up in a beautiful bun added finishing touches to her look. Crown actress Claire Foy was also present at the awards night. She donned a sunshine yellow Miu Miu gown with silver embellishments all over it. Plunging neckline with a short train, silver dangler earrings and a moody lip completed her look. The outfit just didn't suit her frame and it fell quite flat. And then we have Nicole Kidman, who also marked her presence at the awards show. She donned a wine-hued high-neck, full-sleeves column dress by Michael Kors. A bright red lip, gelled hair completed her look. Though she looks pretty, there is nothing novel about this look. And then we have Lupita Nyong'o, who wore a royal blue strapless bodycon dress with elaborate sequin work all over it. She styled her outfit with silver danglers, a dark lip, and hair pulled back finished off a stunning look. Moving on, we have one of the best dressed from the Golden Globes 2019, and it was Irina Shayk, who walked in with her partner Bradley Cooper looking smoking hot. She donned a golden sheer Versace dress with a deep V neckline and a thigh-high slit. A chic blob, golden strappy heels and pink lips finished off her look. Moving on, we have Heidi Klum, who donned a black strapless ballroom gown with a sweetheart neckline with multicolor floral appliques scattered all over the tulle skirt. Brushed open hair with nude makeup completed her look. While we like her hair and makeup, the outfit was a major letdown. And then we have Rosamund Pike, and we were floored looking at her outfit. The actress wore a black cutout dress with an attached flare skirt. She threw in a silver sequin jacket to glam up her outfit. Center-parted sleek hair with soft makeup rounded off this absolutely gorgeous look. Anne Hathaway was also present at the esteemed awards show. She opted for an animal print gown with a thigh-high slit and a deep neck from Elie Saab. Center-parted open sleek hair with golden hoops and minimal makeup finished off her look. And then we have Kaylee Cuoco, whose dress had only one thing going for it, the pockets. Her makeup was also not flattering to her face and her hair looked like a mess. And then we have Halle Berry, who looked pretty in a wine-hued draped gown with a thigh-high slit and a deep plunging neckline and full sleeves. Geometric shaped earrings with an up hairdo and minimal makeup completed her look. Which look was your favorite from the list? Comment below and let us know. If you like this video and want more of these, then like, share and subscribe to Pinkvilla.